Seferihisar is a district of Izmir with a population of around 30,000 inhabitants. Seferihisar is located 44 kilometers south of Izmir and has a 49 kilometer long coastline. Agriculture and fishing are the two main sources of income. Mandarin production is the biggest source of income, followed by olive and artichoke production. Fishing is an important tradition in a way of living, especially for the people of the Seljuk region. The ancient port city of Thios is situated in the Seljuk region of Seferihisar. The architectural remains of the city are located on a small peninsula called Isthmus. Due to its significant trade, the influence of Thios extended all the way to Egypt. Thios antiquity is home to the largest temple in Anatolia dedicated to Dionysus, god of grape harvest, winemaking and wine. Seferihisar became a member of Cittaslow International Association in 2009. Numerous projects have been undertaken to disseminate and develop the Cittaslow philosophy in Seferihisar and Turkey. A new green area has been constructed with solar-powered lighting systems and local productive plants. The main avenue of Seferihisar, Atatürk Avenue, has been renovated in accordance to the Cittaslow philosophy, using solar-powered street lighting and given more space for pedestrians so that they can socialize. A children's municipality has been constituted in order to include children in local governance. They are actively contributing to the decisions like the locations of new parks and even new zoning regulations. 2 seed exchange festivals have been organized in order to encourage use of local seeds instead of OGM seeds. For citizens that have financial difficulties, students and other classes of citizens that would require support, we have designed a citizen card system that will allow us to put their financial aid onto these cards, therefore making aid much simpler and contemporary for the citizens of Seferihisar. This card system is also designed to help out local business, as it can only be used in local stores. We would like to welcome you in 2013 to Seferihisar, Turkey for the General Assembly. We have prepared a program of 3 days. The first day will give us an opportunity to get to know each other better and share our best practices. For the second day, we have planned to hold the General Assembly, followed by a trip to the ancient city of Ephesus and House of the Virgin Mary. On the evening of the second night, we will be enjoying our meal on a ship within the Bay of Izmir for a leisurely ending to our day. For the third day, we thought it would be best to give you the opportunity to visit one of the most eccentric cities in the world, so we have planned for an optional daily visit to Istanbul. We are extremely proud to be able to host in the Cittaslow family in Turkey and are looking forward to seeing you all here.